Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. So today our group will present the concept of the tourist pass, which is available in the city of Kedah, and we get Ktmb.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanisah Binti Zainol Abiddin. So today I will present about the background of the company, which is Ktmb company. So Kereta Api Tanah Melayu, or we know it as KTM, or Malayan Railways Limited, is the largest rail operator in the Malaysian Peninsula. It previously known as the Federated Malaya State Railway, or FMSR. Kereta Api Tanah Melayu adopted its new name in 1962. The organization was cooperation in 1992, but it remains wholly owned by Malaysia government now. These tourist postcards are available in the city of Kedah, so you can use it for ferry to Langkawi, which is from Kuala Kedah Jetty to Langkawi, and then you can use this card for cable car at Langkawi. The things that you need to do is, you only need to tap the card at the card reader, and then the amount will be deducted from your card. And the best part from this card that you will get is you can use it for Grab car service. For example, at that time, you didn't have enough money and your internet is slow, so you can't use online transaction. So you can use this card to pay your Grab car service. And then you can use this card for famous attraction around Kedah. For example, the Carnival Water Park, and then Menara Alustar Kedah and Museum Padi. So you will get discount and you can collect reward point if you have this card. Next, you can use this card for airport. You can use this card at Sultan Abdul Halim Airport, which is you can use this card to pay your flight ticket. If you use this card to pay your flight ticket, you will get 5% discount. So it will give benefit for you because you can get a cheaper price ticket if you use this card. And the last one is for water sport activities, for example, snorkeling and scuba diving. If you buy a package from the travel agency that are linked with this card, you can get discount and you can collect reward points. So the next one is website and application. For application, both user Android and iPhone can download it at their own platform. For Android, you can use Google Play Store, and for iPhone, you can use Apple App Store. Users can buy as ticket online at Ktmb application, and you also can choose the seat that you want if you buy ticket online. It will save time, so you didn't need to go to Ktmb station nearby just because you want to buy ETS ticket. So it will save time and cost. On Ktmb application, you also can check your travel history and your upcoming booking, so you can plan your travel well. Not only that, for Ktmb website, you also can apply a job because there are career features there. At Ktmb website also, you can check ETS routers maps, commuter routers map, and the other routers map that are linked with Ktmb, so you can check at their website. And user also can do the application for Ktmb card at their website.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Shafiqah Najwa. So I'm going to continue Hanisah's presentation. So our team will do a promotion about this card to locals and tourists in Kedah by using our own social media such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Other than that, we will also provide a poster and advertisement in every social media or television. Since we are under Kereta Api Tanah Melayu KTM, we will also announce this card at station KTM and inside the train. Next is about the price. The price for this card is only 30 ringgit, but 10 ringgit will be credited in your card. Tourists can top up their card by online banking or at convenience store through the KTM counter or at the ticket vending machine TVM if the balance amount of their card is not sufficient to use. Another thing about this card is our team did not put any specific service charge to tourists who use the card because the service charge is charged differently depending on their destination. The next step is how to use the card. The first step is tourists should know how much their card balance is. Is it sufficient for them to use or not? If the balance is not sufficient to use, they can go and top up their card by online banking, at convenience store through the KTM counter or at the ticket vending machine. Second step is tap your travel card on the reader until you hear the beep sound. Then you can enter through the gates once the gate flaps open. The last step is to exit. Tap your travel card again on the reader until you hear the beep sound. Then you can exit through the gates when the gate flaps open. The balance of the card will be shown at the screen. This will be easier for tourists to know whether their card balance is sufficient to use for the next use.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, what you will get if you buy this card, this travel pass card. So we divide it into two, which is discount and point. Okay, I will talk about the discount first. So for the 20 ringgit and above, for the transportation that charge 20 ringgit and above, they will get 5% discount for for that price. Okay. For the second is point. This is for the transportation that charge 20 ringgit and below. So if you go to the transportation that only charge 20 ringgit and below, you will get the point, which is 5 point per use. So when you get the target, you can redeem at the petrol station such as Petronas, Shell or Petron. You can redeem the item in the petrol kiosk for 100 point. You can get the item there, or the petrol itself for 300 point, which is you can full the petrol for your transportation for 20 ringgit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Taufik Fikri bin Othmahadi. So today I will continue about my slide which is transportation tourists can use by using this card. So there are 6 transportation that tourists or local people can use for this card. Okay, first is train station. Second is cable car at Langkawi. They need to show this card to them and they will get a discount. Third is ferry to Langkawi, which is tourists or local people who want to go to Langkawi can use this card, so they will get a discount. For yes, four is Grab Pay service. This is useful for the tourists who do not know how to pay using application, so they can use this card to pay for them. So but make sure to top up the card before you pay, because this card is contain only 10 ringgit in it. So, fifth is you can use this card at the flight, I mean the airport. Okay, this card only accept at the one airport only, which is Sultan Abdul Halim Airport. And the last one is motorcycle. If you are boring to ride a car, you can get an experience when riding a motorcycle surrounding Langkawi. For the marketing strategies, we will go for the 3 medium to marketing this card. Okay, one of the medium is application, which is KTM Mobile. We will provide this travel pass card at the app. So the app will show the benefit of this card for the tourists and local people who open the app, so they will know about our travel pass card. Second is social media. As we know, social media is one of the important platform for all of the seller to marketing their product. So with these opportunities, we will post on the social media that are truly trending nowadays, which is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and the others. The last one is website. Some of the tourists will go to the website to check for their ticket, if the ticket is have or not, because they did not know about the schedule. So from the KTM website, we will show the advertisement about the travel pass card to make them know about our card. So for the conclusion that we can conclude is travel pass card offer a lot of advantage through many ways. One of the important is the price that people can get if they purchase this card, and also the easily to enter the transportation with low price. Okay, this card also can increase our economies as an asset to compete as one of the key means of transport for each other. It will be one of the measures that will bring a transition and improve the use of transport in the area. Okay, this is the reference that you can use or tourists can use for get the more information, which is KTM Mobile. Second is London Travel Card Public Transport Pass in 2020, and Travel Pass Card that can be used around Kuala Lumpur. And this is the picture of the transportation that can be used by our Travel Pass Card, as you can see. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.